Your cholesterol numbers are really creeping up there. Okay, so what's the plan, Doc? Oh, we'll keep an eye on it. Come back next year and we'll just check it again. Wait, that's it? You're just gonna watch my numbers get worse for 12 more months? That doesn't sound like a plan at all. Well, you can cut out steak, eggs, butter. Maybe stick to just oatmeal and kale. Lots of oatmeal and kale. You see, this is the problem. I know people who literally live on steak and butter and their cholesterol numbers are just fine. Well, that's because I understand science, okay? Listen, let's not get caught up in Google theory. I've been doing this for 30 years, but sure, you know best. You're not telling me what's actually causing my problem. You're just handing me the same script that you give to everyone. So let me get this straight. Your plan is do nothing, eat kale, and when that plan fails, you're gonna put me on meds later on. That's not a plan. That's a trap. I want to know what is actually causing this, not just sit around hoping that it magically fixes itself, okay? And here's what I found out. Cholesterol problems are often liver problems. About 80% of your cholesterol is made by your liver, not your diet. So when your liver is stressed out, it's inflamed from medications, processed foods, stress, toxins, so on. It pumps out extra cholesterol as a stress response. And when the liver cannot process cholesterol properly, the numbers will start to climb, no matter what you're eating. That's why I stopped looking for all those quick fixes and I started looking for support that actually targets the root of the problem, my liver. And I learned that there are ingredients in nature like berberine, which activates the same pathway as certain medications, helping the liver to manage cholesterol production naturally. And then there's plant sterols, which have a very similar chemical structure to cholesterol, so more gets flushed out instead of absorbed. And then milk thistle, artichoke, garlic. These support detox and bioflow so the liver can actually process fats and cholesterol the way that it's supposed to. And I could have went out and bought all of those ingredients separately, but that's expensive, it's confusing, and it's overwhelming. That's when I found this. It's a bundle of only 2 supplements, a liver health and a cholesterol health. I bundle them together for a big discount. This one supports the liver and this one supports cholesterol metabolism. It targets the root issue instead of waiting around for meds to be my one and only option. And that is the difference. I'm not sitting here waiting for my labs to just get worse over the next year. I'm actually supporting my liver and my cholesterol right now, taking action. And hey, I don't need the right letters after my name to get results. And supporting my liver and my cholesterol is how I got results. So if you're in the same boat as me, tap the link, grab your 50% off deal and free shipping, get a few months worth, and see what happens when you start supporting your liver.